Hi, thanks for tuning into Tech Talk Tuesday. My name is Brian Mursky. I am the owner of Veranda Technologies here in Brick Township, New Jersey. We service Monmouth, Ocean, and the surrounding counties. So Tech Talk Tuesday is normally published a little bit earlier than this. I'm not going to lie, I wasn't motivated to get up and do it. Not at all. Hopefully everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend, and weather didn't hamper any of your plans. I know the local parade here was canceled, but by and large we had good weekend weather. So I got up this morning, much like my kids not wanting to go into school, and didn't really want to get back to work right away, so we're a little late, and I apologize for that. But it's a good opportunity for me to talk to you about remote options for work. And it's not necessarily just summer and long weekends or great weather on a Friday, but in the winter we get snow. You may get sick, a family member or child might get sick, and you have to work remotely. So just going to talk briefly about a couple of the options that allow me and you to work freer without having to go into an office. And I'll dive into these deeper in a future video, but if you're not familiar, there are products like LogMeIn, Go to My PC. My personal favorite is Screen Connect. Now, Screen Connect you cannot purchase as a standalone end user. You have to get it through a reseller like Veranda Technologies. I happen to think it's the best product out there. Nothing against LogMeIn or Go to My PC. They're fantastic products, and I'll reference their names in the video because it's what I know people are familiar with. My personal opinion is both companies have gotten a little greedy, LogMeIn in particular. Their pricing's gotten extremely heavy-handed, and they've backed down on some features. What products like this and Screen Connect, which is, again, our favorite, allow you to do is act like you're sitting in front of a computer when you're actually not. So you could be in a car, you could be in a library, you could be in a doctor's office, you could be in Aruba, anywhere in the world. If you have an internet connection, a reliable internet connection, you can act as though you're sitting in front of another machine. You can use all of the software on that machine. You can work in the QuickBooks or financial application. You can surf as though, be on the internet as though you're there if there's a reason to because of an industry-specific application. So some of the programs even let you print. You can print from the local machine. Let's say you're on a laptop. You can print from that laptop that you're physically sitting at to a printer in the remote office. So if you need to print something off for somebody but you're not there, in some cases you can even go the other way. You can print from the work PC to your local printer in your home or wherever you happen to be. So I just wanted to mention those. If you have questions about that type of software, reach out to us. We'll leave the email address and phone number and everything at the end of the video. But I wanted to mention that option because it certainly is liberating. It allows you to free yourself and work from pretty much anywhere if your boss allows it. The other software that we use very frequently that has the same effect on where you work from is video conferencing software. So programs like Skype, WebEx, Go to My PC, I think also have, they may be WebEx now. Zoom is our personal favorite. Zoom.us is the website, not zoom.com. It's zoom.us. Again, our personal favorite. We can help you set it up, but it's pretty easy to get started. Zoom allows, and I think some of the others do also, a free option. So you can do a one-on-one video from any device, by the way, a computer with a webcam or any iPhone, any Android phone, any tablet. If it's got a microphone, if it's got a internet connection, you can use video conferencing software like Zoom. Zoom, I started to say, allows unlimited free one-on-one. So I've had several day-long sessions where we just leave up and it never drops. It's pretty rock solid. Even from a 3G connection, I use it from the car sometimes if I'm driving. I clip the phone to the vent. I have a little vent stand, and I can be on meetings just listening, talking, interacting. And free for one person on each end. If you add a third participant, or more than that, you can add unlimited. We've had 50 people in a room before, and it still works pretty darn well. Then you get 40 minutes max, or you have to pay. It's a couple $100 a year. I think it's $130 a year or something like that for their paid version. And it's worth every penny because, again, from anywhere in the world, you can video chat. So we use it at the Brick Township Chamber of Commerce, for example. We have meetings all week long with different committees. If somebody can't make a meeting or has to leave early or is running a little late and doesn't want to miss that part of the meeting, you just dial in. When you pay for the year, you get a code that never changes. So you can make that a phone number, office number, cell number, zip code followed by a 5-digit number, whatever you want. You make up a number, and that's your code. And then you give that to everybody, and they can dial in. And as long as the room is live, you're having a chat. Very easy to use. Again, if you want to know more about these technologies, if you want to know more about any specific technology for future videos, future Tech Talk Tuesdays, please reach out to us. My name is Brian. My cell phone number is 732-743-5772. Best way to reach us via email is helpdesk@verandatech.com. We're on Facebook, facebook.com/verandatech, and of course, www.verandatech.com. Again, hopefully these videos are informational and provide some value for you. Please let us know if there's anything specific you want to hear about, and have a wonderful week.